Let's explore the sliding filament theory. Skeletal muscle is composed of muscle fibers. Each fiber contains parallel myofibrils. The functional unit is the sarcomere, bound by Z-lines. Blue actin and red myosin filaments form the sarcomere. The A-band spans the full length of thick myosin filaments. I-bands contain only thin actilaments. The central H-zone has a nerve impulse triggers the release of calcium. Calcium ions flood from the sarcoplasmic reticulum, troponin, causing a conformational change. This shifts tropomyosin. Now, an ATP molecule binds to the myosin head. It is hydrolyzed to ADP and inorganic phosphate. This energizes and cocks the myosin head. It then binds to actin, ADP and pi release, triggering the power stroke. The myosin head bends, pulling actin inward. The I-band and H-zone narrow significantly. The A-band remains completely unchanged. A new ATP molecule binds to the myosin head. This binding causes the cross bridge to break. ATP hydrolysis resets the myosin head. The contraction cycle repeats.